How to automatically lock your screen in Windows 11. So in this video, I'll show you how to set up the lock screen when you're away from your computer. Now, first thing you'll need to do is open up your Start menu, go and click on Settings. From the left-hand side, select Personalization, and then you can scroll down to the lock screen. Now scroll down to Lock Screen Status and click on this. Now scroll down to the Screen Timeout and click on this. You can then select Screen Sleep and Hibernate Timeouts. And here you can go and set when you want your screen to turn off and also when you want your device to sleep as well. Now typically the device going into sleep mode is more likely to activate the lock screen. So where it says make my device sleep after, go and set this to how long you want before your computer requires you to sign in. You'll also need to do the same thing for when your computer's on the battery or charging as well. Now you can also click on Accounts from the left hand side and then scroll down and click on Sign In Options. Now scroll down and you'll see it will say if you've been away, when should Windows require you to sign in again. You can also go and set the time frame from here too. So I'm just going to set mine to 15 minutes. And you also have an option for device lock. Now this is when Windows automatically detects when you're away from your computer. Now in order to use this feature, you'll need to go and pair your phone to your computer. So you can do that using your Bluetooth and devices settings, and this is one way to automatically lock your computer while you're away. So that's how to automatically lock your Windows 11 computer.